What's up, everybody? This is a trade review for Airbnb. I took this trade on May 5th, which is Monday, and I did end up taking a loss on this. This was about a 60% loss. I think the biggest takeaway is probably taking too short of time. I took May 16th. Obviously, with the market and how it's played out, the contracts just did not work in the favor that I wanted it to. The biggest thing that I wanted to really look for was to hold this flip of the 50 EMA. So we obviously tried to hold above it here, but then we gapped down and we failed to hold. So I wanted to see that we had another inside day here off of this candle here, which high volume after earnings. So I was looking for a pretty good reaction off of earnings to continue the run. And I wanted to see a hold above this 50 here to establish that as new support. So that previous resistance becomes new support. Obviously, as we play it out here, we can go down to the lower time frame. That isn't really what ends up happening, right? We ended up going down, trading near the lows, and then I did end up stopping out as we failed to hold above this 125 area. And that 125 is around this, 124 to 125, mainly because that's where near the 50 EMA is. And because we failed to hold that, I did end up closing it out on this candle here. And it's just, I still believe that Airbnb is likely to continue, just going to take a lot more time. And I'd rather take this trade once we start to test this 125, 126 upper bounds again, let it tighten, and then we finally, hopefully, will eventually get that breakout that we're looking for. But other than that, rather be out the position, especially when we didn't have this much time in the contracts, and just wait for better setups out there.